A gCADPlus user is having some problems with a drawing when View and Zoom Extents is selected, or right click and Zoom Extents. You may be able to see that down here on the bottom left of the screen is the design, but when you go Zoom Extents, off it goes to the side. The question is, what's causing that? Well, it's more than likely due to the insertion of some sort of block way off the screen. The scale or the location of the block is incorrect. Let's first turn on background color to white so we'll be able to see things a little more easily. What I'm going to do, and a trick to locate where that block might be, is just zoom out and then click down in the bottom right of screen and use a crossing window like so, and you may be able to see that there's a handle some distance away from the original. Let me just measure that distance from, here's the design, and so it's been put 6351 units away. Now this drawing I think is done in decimal feet, so that's 6,300 feet away from our designs. So let's select it again and look in the left. There are in fact two polylines. I had expected that that would be a block, but it's not. There are two polylines. Click on the down arrow here. So they're there. Now let me zoom in on them just to have a look. Or when I do that, you may see in the properties box that they are both polylines with an index value of 1. That's odd. It's almost as though the polyline command has been started, a single click, and then someone has dropped away from that point. So you really have a polyline of, nonetheless, I think we can erase both of those and they're gone. Now let's try our Zoom Extents, and we'll go View and Regen, that refreshes the database, and then Zoom Extents. So we've fixed up that little problem, which I think was just an error of starting a polyline and actually not finishing it and putting it way off site.